Sometimes the fields in your data source do not match the correct fields in your merged letters. Use the Match Fields command on the Mailings tab to manually match the fields as desired. Click the Mailings tab on the ribbon. In the Write and Insert Fields group, click the Match Fields button. The Match Fields dialog box opens, listing words fields on the left and the fields in the data source on the right. The courtesy title field is incorrectly matched to the first name field. In the Match Fields dialog box, click the courtesy title field arrow. Word displays a list of the fields in the data source. Click Title. Word matches its courtesy title field to the title field in the data source. Click OK. On the Mailings tab in the Preview Results group, click the Next Record button. The data in the address block field is now correct. Add merge fields to add a personal touch to a form letter. Click to the left of the period at the end of the first sentence in the last body paragraph. Click the Mailings tab on the ribbon. In the Write and Insert Fields group, click the Insert Merge Field arrow. Word displays a list of merge fields in the data source. Click company_name. At the insertion point, Word inserts a company_name merge field. In the document, the chevrons before and after company_name indicate that it is a merge field. In the Write and Insert Fields group, click the Highlight Merge Fields button. Word highlights the merge fields in the document. Preview a mail merge to see how your letter will look with the merge fields you have added. You can also scroll through and exclude certain recipients from the recipient list. In the Step 4 of 6 Mail Merge pane, click the Next Preview Your Letters link. The Mail Merge pane displays Step 5 of 6, including buttons for displaying each personalized letter. In the Preview Your Letters section of the Mail Merge pane, click the Next button, which displays 2 right-pointing arrows. Word displays the personalized letter for the next recipient, Allison Salazar. In the Make Changes section of the Mail Merge pane, click the Exclude This Recipient button. Word removes the letter for the current recipient from the merged document. Previewing a mail merge lets you make sure all is correct with your merge fields and data source before you print. Click the Mailings tab on the ribbon. In the Preview Results group, click the Preview Results button. In the merged letter, Word displays data from the first record. In the Preview Results group, click the Next Record button. Word displays the data from the next record, which is for Allison Salazar. In the Preview Results group, click the Last Record button. Word displays the data from the last record, which is for Jasmine Hong. In the Preview Results group, click the Go to Record box, type 4, and press Enter. Word displays the data from the fourth record, which is for Ted Campos. Using if fields in a merged document allows for further customization of content. After the last body paragraph, select the placeholder text Insert If field. click the Mailings tab on the ribbon. In the Write and Insert Fields group, click the Rules button. The Rules menu opens. On the Rules menu, click If, Then, Else. The Insert Word Field If dialog box opens. Click the field name arrow. The dialog box displays the fields in the document. Click the State field. Now you can set conditions and actions depending on the contents of the state field. Click the Compare To box and type TX in the box. Word will compare the contents of the state field to the text TX. Click the Insert This box and type Be sure to join us at our booth at the Infotex conference in Fort Worth this October! In the box. If the state field contains the text TX, Word will insert the text Be sure to join us at our booth at the Infotex conference in Fort Worth this October! In the If field. Click the Otherwise Insert This box and type See you at next year's Health Site Conference! In the box. If the state field does not contain the text TX, Word will insert the text See you at next year's Health Site Conference! In the If field. Click OK. Word replaces the Insert If field placeholder text with the text specified by the rule for the If field. Display the field codes in a mail merge to see what rule is linked to a field. Once you see the rule, you can choose to keep, delete, or edit the rule as needed. Right-click the month field results. Word displays a shortcut menu, including commands for working with fields. On the shortcut menu, click Toggle Field Codes. Word displays the field codes for the field, which is an If field. Right-click the If field. On the shortcut menu, click Toggle Field Codes. Word redisplays the field results. When finishing a mail merge, merge all the recipient information to a new document so you can save a copy of the merged letters to reference and print at a later time. Click the Mailings tab on the ribbon. In the Finish group, click the Finish and Merge button. Word displays the Finish and Merge menu. On the Finish and Merge menu, click Edit Individual Documents. The Merge to New Document dialog box opens with the All option button selected, indicating you will merge all of the recipient information into a new document. In the Merge to New Document dialog box, click OK. Word merges all the letters to a new document, one for each recipient in the data source. Sort recipients so that the resulting merge will print or process in a particular order. Filter your list so that the merge will only use certain recipients. Click the Mailings tab on the ribbon. In the Start Mail Merge group, click the Edit Recipient List button. The Mail Merge Recipients dialog box is displayed. All of the records in the data source are displayed. Click the Last Name column heading. The records are sorted alphabetically in ascending order by last name. Click the State column heading arrow. In the State column heading list, click TX. The list is filtered to include only records with TX as the state. Click OK. The Mail Merge Recipients dialog box closes. The records are reorganized and limited for the current merge. Store the form letters generated by a completed mail merge as a new document so you can view or print the letters at a later time. In the Step 5 of 6 Mail Merge pane, click the Next Complete the Merge link. The Mail Merge pane displays Step 6 of 6, including links to print or edit the individualized letters. In the Merge section of the Mail Merge pane, click the Edit Individual Letters link. The Merge to New Document dialog box opens with the All option button selected, indicating you will merge all of the recipient information into a new document. Click OK. Word merges all the letters to a new document, one for each recipient in the data source. Use portrait orientation for common documents like business letters and proposals. Change to landscape orientation when your content needs more width on the page, such as when using large fonts or pictures. Click the Layout tab on the ribbon. In the Page Setup group, click the Orientation button. You can choose from two options, Portrait and Landscape. Note that the current orientation is Portrait. Click Landscape. The long edge of the paper is now at the top of the document. The left and right margins are wider, and the content now fits better on the page. If you do not want a table in your document but want to keep the text it contains, convert the table to text. Select the table. The Table Design and Layout tabs become available on the ribbon. Click the Layout tab on the ribbon. In the Data group, click the Convert to Text button. The Convert Table to Text dialog box is displayed. In the Convert Table to Text dialog box, click the Paragraph Marks option button. The table will be converted to text with paragraph marks instead of tabs, commas, or some other character used to delineate the separate cell entries. Click OK. The Convert Table to Text dialog box closes. The table is converted to text, separated by paragraph marks. If document text is arranged in rows and columns, consider converting the text to a word table. Tables look more professional and are easy to edit and format using commands on the Table Tools tabs on the ribbon. Select the body text starting with Team Member and ending with 50. Click the Insert tab on the ribbon. In the Tables group, click the Table button. In the Insert Table gallery, click Convert Text to Table. The Convert Text to Table dialog box opens and displays options for the conversion. Word has used tabs to determine the number of columns in the table, and the Tabs option is selected by default in the Separate Text At section. Click OK. Word converts the text to a table with 3 columns.